Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are doing well, shine fine, and you must be excited today. So, my name is Naveed Khan and I am from Peshawar, belong to a small Pathan family. So today I am really excited and really happy. It's my first vlog that I come into the front of camera. I want to say thanks to all of you, by which you like my videos and share with your friends and keep watching, stay with my content. Inshallah, I will try my best to bring most of the stunning and adorable videos for all of you. This is Fedahon channel. It's all about Islamic content and waqi'at. You can visit my channel and you can see my all of content and inshallah you might be like my content. Once again, I am saying that I will bring most of the stunning, adorable, interesting content by which you might be liked and you will get more interesting with my content and stay watching my videos. I am requesting for those who does not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get my videos easily by time. If you does not like my video right now, so please like my videos and share with your friends. This is my first vlog. Inshallah, I will try my best. Keep me support and inshallah we will meet at the next vlog. Allah Hafiz. Wassalam.